Hello, my name is Alex Norman, and today I will be showing you how to set up a fish tank. This here is a 20-gallon fish tank. So what you will need is the fish tank itself, a stand, which if you look here, there's the stand. One important thing about stands is you need to make sure that they are able to support the amount of weight that you will be putting on them. 20 gallons is a decent amount of water, but let's say you get, a 30-40 gallon. This stand probably won't be able to hold it up. And you really don't want your aquarium to fall and bust everywhere. So the other stuff you'll need. You'll need a heater, which this here is a submersible heater. You stick it down the aquarium and plug it in. You will need a filter of some sort. This is a pretty simple filter. You just stick it on the back of the aquarium, plug it in. You will also need a thermometer in order to check the water temperature. The first thing we'll have to do is fill it up with water. One of the best ways I think in order to fill up a fish tank is to use a siphon here, which you just attach this to the faucet. You can use a bucket, it really doesn't matter. It's just a lot faster to use a siphon. So I'll do that and I'll cut to me attaching that. A filter is a very important part of an aquarium. According to petmd.com, filters remove the toxic buildup of ammonia and nitrates and aerates the water so your fish can breathe. This filter here is the one we'll be using today. Has a clip-on the back, so that way you can clip it to the back of the aquarium, and all you gotta do is plug it in. So we shall do that here. Set that down there. Flip it over the top like this. Push it down a little bit. And then we plug it in. A heater, as you'd assume, heats up the water of your aquarium. This here is a submersible heater, which basically means it's submerged into the water. Now you want to make sure that you don't place the heater in the aquarium without the water, otherwise you risk frying the heater. So this one's pretty simple, and it's also got suction there for you. Go ahead, put that in. Put that right there for now. Suction it. That way it stays. Then you plug it on up. And now the heater should be on. As stated by the aquariumguide.com, a common guideline for selecting a fish tank is to choose one that can output 3 to 5 watts per gallon. Now this here is a 20-gallon tank, and this heater is a 60-watt heater. Therefore, it passes that test. That's just a good rule of thumb as far as heaters, to make sure you have an adequate amount of heat for your tank. The thermometer is important because it allows you to monitor the conditions of your tank. The thermometer can tell you if your heater is not working, if the thermometer reads a lot lower. This here is the thermometer we'll be using today. It's pretty standard thermometer. It has the red line to indicate the temperature. And this one just basically, you place it in the tank and so it floats just like that. Another reason why thermometers are very important is because fish have a very specific range in which they can survive in. According to aquarium.com, fish are cold-blooded, which means they cannot control their body temperature. Unlike us, they cannot metabolize their food in order to heat themselves up. Generally, a good rule is most fish can survive from 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. However, it really just depends on the type of fish. This next step isn't required, yet it's just a good thing to do when setting up your own fish tank, and that is to add plants. Plants do not only complete the look of your aquarium, they actually have more benefits. According to aquarium.com, plants enhance water quality and help prevent algae growth by using nutrients produced by fish waste, uneaten food, and organic debris. Once you have done all this, and the temperature reaches 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, you'll be prepared to go ahead and start putting fish in. Now, I don't have any fish because this is only a temporary tank to show you how to set it up, but you can imagine what putting fish would look like. I hope this video helped anyone learn how to set up a fish tank, and I shall see you next time. Bye-bye.